In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a high-resolution logo in Canva. If you've ever exported a logo and it looked a little fuzzy or pixelated, this quick process will help you get a crisp, clean result without rebuilding your design. We're going to use Canva's download options to boost the pixel dimensions of your existing logo, which is what gives you that higher resolution look. Start by opening your logo project in Canva. Many logo canvases are set up at around 500 by 500 pixels, which is fine for previews, but too small for many real-world uses. The good news is, you don't have to change your canvas. We'll increase the output size at export so your layout, spacing, and proportions stay exactly the same, while the exported image gets much larger and sharper. Look to the top right of Canva's interface and click Share. From that menu, select Download. This is where Canva keeps the export settings. If you don't see Download right away, it's usually nested under the same Share button, so just open that and you'll find it. In the File Type menu, switch to either JPG or PNG. These two formats let you adjust size right in the download options. PNG is typically best for logos with clean edges or when you need a transparent background. JPG is great for smaller file sizes and works well on the web, though it doesn't support transparency. Pick the one that fits where your logo will be used. Now, in the Size section, drag the slider to the right to increase the export dimensions. As you move the slider, you'll see the pixel numbers update. The higher you go, the more pixels the image will have, which translates to a higher resolution export. For example, scaling a 500 by 500 design to 2000 by 2000 gives you 4 times the pixel width and height, producing a noticeably sharper result. Keep in mind that larger sizes create larger file sizes, so choose a balance that fits your needs. When you're happy with the size, click Download. Canva will process the file and save it to your device. Open the downloaded logo to check it at 100% zoom. You should see crisp lines and smooth edges. If you need it even cleaner or larger, simply return to the download panel, bump the size a little more, and download again. And that's it. You've taken your existing logo and exported it at a higher resolution using Canva's built-in download options. Simple, fast, and ready for professional use. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.